Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 30th, 2025, just yesterday. The striking claim is that text-only large language models quietly learn visual priors, which split into a perception prior and a reasoning prior, and the reasoning part grows from code, math, and academic text, and then transfers to visual reasoning. The paper is titled, Learning to See Before Seeing, Demystifying LLM Visual Priors from Language Pretraining, and the implications for model training are quite significant. Beyond that, the team validates insights across over 100 experiments and 1 trillion token runs, introduces the multi-level existence bench, and offers a data-centric recipe for vision-aware pre-training. Figure 1 shows that larger models and more web crawl training generally lift accuracy, while the gains differ by skill. Visual question answering means answering questions about an image, which tests both perception and reasoning. OCR and chart tasks rise mainly with model size, so capacity matters more than extra data. Vision-centric tasks climb sharply for the biggest models when data increases, while small models plateau early. So, Figure 2 shows which pre-training sources actually cultivate visual abilities. These bar charts compare models trained on a single text source, and the left panel summarizes average visual question answering, while the right panels break down general, knowledge, OCR and chart, and vision-centric tasks. Reasoning-centric text like code and math lifts performance broadly, because it strengthens step-by-step problem-solving that transfers to visual reasoning. Descriptions of the visual world, such as arts and food domains, particularly boost vision-centric scores, whereas technical domains like medicine lag. So Figure 2 showed which sources helped most. Figure 3 shows that increasing reasoning-centric text in the pre-training mix steadily lifts visual question answering, peaking near 75% before flattening. The right panels indicate that text describing the visual world helps mainly at low doses, with gains saturating around 25%. This pattern suggests that strong reasoning pre-training supplies a general visual reasoning prior, while only a modest amount of visual descriptions is needed to anchor perception. Alright. Table 2 derives a practical data mixture for training that keeps language strong while lifting visual skills. The table compares 11 recipes that shift more toward reasoning text like code and math, then reports language accuracy, perplexity, and visual accuracy. Perplexity means how well the model predicts the next word, so lower is better. Mix 6 stands out as the most balanced choice, because visual accuracy rises without a notable language hit. So the big takeaways are clear. Visual priors split into reasoning and perception, and strong reasoning text, like code and math, reliably transfers to visual reasoning, while perception depends more on broad text plus the vision encoder. The practical recipe favors mostly reasoning with a modest visual world dose. This points to cheaper, data-centric multimodal training with fewer images, though hallucination and safety need care. That is it for the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.